Add params to given URL in Python. Suppose I was given a URL. It might already have get parameters. For example, http://example.com/search q equals question, or it might not. For example, http://example.com/. And now I need to add some parameters to it like len column n, tag column Python. In the first case, I'm going to have http://example.com/search q equals question and len equals n and tag equals Python, and in the second, http://example.com/search len equals n and tag equals Python. Is there any standard way to do this?
There are a couple of quirks with the erlib and erlparse modules. Here's a working example. Parse result. The result of erlparse is read-only, and we need to convert it to a list before we can attempt to modify its data.
Outsource it to the battle-tested requests library. This is how I will do it.
Why? I've been not satisfied with all the solutions on this page. Come on, where is our favorite copy-paste thing? So I wrote my own based on answers here. It tries to be complete and more Pythonic. I've added a handler for dict and bool values and arguments to be more consumer-side, JS, friendly, but they are yet optional. You can drop them. How it works. Test 1, adding new arguments, handling arrays and bool values. Test 2, rewriting existing args, handling dict values. Talk is cheap. Show me the code. Code itself. I've tried to describe it in details. Please be aware that there may be some issues. If you'll find one, please let me know and we will make this thing better.
You want to use URL encoding if the strings can have arbitrary data. For example, characters such as ampersands, slashes, etc. will need to be encoded. Check out erlib.erlencode. In Python 3,
if you want to see more, please consider subscribing.